mind, I want to know. Anyway, where you carry me go.
Oga, I beg, I want to go. I beg.
Okay. Let me check account number.
Okay. 06.
Okay.
10 80 26.
Victoria, right?
Yes, Victoria.
I've sent you 15,000.
Eh?
I've sent you 15,000.
15,000? For what? $15,000. I did not say 15,000 naira. $15,000. Oga, $15,000. That's what me and you talked about.
Wait. If I give you $15,000, you go collect them just for a night.
Why would I collect it? That's what I charge for a night.
Women.
What am I using 50,000 naira to do? $50,000. That's what we talked about. $50,000.
$50,000?
Yes, $50,000.
Don't be 15,000 naira.
15,000 naira. I don't understand. What am I using it to do? Is it for a bar? As if it for Gary? What am I using it to do? $15,000. That's what I charge for a night. I go call police for you. Like, do not try me.
I don't get that kind of money.
Not try me. What's the worry you?
I don't get that kind of money.
My $15,000 what's that one? $1,000 or $15,000 naira.
Do your worst.
Yeah, for what? Now $15,000 here and you talk. $15,000. I'm going to security for you.
If you move, I will fire you. If you move now, I will fire you.
Oh, wow.
Evidence. So this guy is a pure Yahoo boy.
He's a Yahoo boy, officer.
If you move, I will fire you. So you're one of them.
So I'm not one of them, oh. I'm not one of them. Hi. Wrong number. I'm not one of them, oh. Hey. I'm not.
Hold this.
Hey.
Come here. You start my road.
I look hey, by me, okay.
Oh yeah, you move it. Let's go. Move. Oh yeah, let's go.
Officer, give him.
Alright, so listen to me.
If you say money no good.
Hey, Mega, send the other 500 million in that my UB account. Okay. I will send you 200,000.
It's 500.
500.
That's where I'm going.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's send already 500,000.
You said 500,000. Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Alright, so Dogu. Love you.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Oh, careful. You careful. My wife now my wife never come out. You know they touch me. You know, say my wife see that and they see they touch me. I don't think I don't want to make my wife know see how they do man to man. Come on, your hand, oh, careful.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive.
I swear, I don't know what you do. Fine girl. Hello? Fine girl. Fine girl.
Women.
Now in bag way fall who I won't give am. She can't do that. You block here. Don't consign me. Can't people go to use them, she no get sense.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Please excuse me. Hi. Please, I'm looking for my bag. Please, did you see my bag? Hello, I'm talking to you guys. Hello. I'm talking to. Hello.
Baby, I don't understand it.
I think I love the environment.
And it's nice. Nice.
Very, very nice. Can we take a selfie?
Who am I? Are you begging me?
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
My love. Who is my love? My love is even calling you. What? You even said.
It's not what you think, babe.
Like, are you kidding me or what?
It's not what you think.
So you're cheating on me.
Let me explain. It's not what you think.
Hey, men has come. I knew it. Men has come.
It's not what you think.
We have been dating for 5 good years, and you are cheating on me. You saved another woman's number with my love. You even love somebody. You are wicked. Don't calm me down. You are heartless. Why? You are very stupid. You are heartless. Men has come. You are wicked. After 5 good years, you are saving another woman's number with my love.
You know what you think now. You know I love you.
I have been deceiving myself all this while. You are wicked.
See, I love you. I love
you. Love who? You love who when you are saving another woman's number
but
with your love.
This is your phone.
Women.
This is your phone. Is this not your phone? This is your phone.
This is my phone. Wait, I can explain.
Treat me like white tees. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. Love.
Achalugo.
What am I seeing?
Achalugo, this is one of my students I'm training. She's in year 1. She wants to spend weekend with me, Achalugo.
But you told me that you're sugar in your tea.
Achalugo, that was then. Since you enter final year, everything is wild now. I cannot enjoy you anymore.
I think I'm tired of this. Like, I'm done with you, Odogu.
Achalugo, you are tired. If you go, who will pay your school fees? If you break up now, who will give you your feeding money? Achalugo, think twice though. Because if I'm on a phone, if you call me back, I'm going to block you. Me and you know that your father cannot afford your school fees. No problem.
I don't know. Touch me again. I'm coming, yeah? I love you. I love you so.
Shorty, I know you like them bad boys like.
This is the music I want to promote.
Okay.
I just need 300,000 to promote the song. It will go viral and it will give me more than 20 million.
Money is nothing. Just play it.
When I'm lonely, I know you gon' come through when you hear from me.
Wow. This is good.
Someone is calling me. Hello? Let me pick up. Hello?
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello, babe. I've been trying to call you since. Where are you?
I'm that Officer Woz.
Officer Woz again?
No, I told you I don't love her. I'm just trying to extort money from her.
I don't like
What's that?
this. I don't just like
this. When I reach 60 years, they do.
Please.
See, I'm not dating her. If it is a joke, stop it. I'm not dating her. I'm just trying to extort money that we use in my music promotion. Once I'm done collecting it, we are good to go.
Please, I want to see you.
Okay. I love you, my love.
Women.
I'll be waiting.
Sorry for the inconvenience. It's because of network.
No problem. Take.
I can explain.
I heard everything.
I said I can explain, man.
Take this. When you get to the police station, you will explain yourself.
Man, I can explain.
Oh yeah, move him. Sergeant, get him.
Yeah,
Move it, sir.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
My son, what you think?
Get
You don't want to move on. Move it now.
This evening you will die. This evening, before 8:30.
What is that?
The baby that said I should drink. What the baby want?
Mama, the baby said you should stand on me.
Yes, what the baby want?
Women.
The baby said you should stand on me.
Yes.
This baby.
I want to drink water, that's what the baby wants. And the baby wants to drink water.
Now, this baby want to drink water.
Yes, go and buy water for the baby.
I should go and buy water.
Yes. Because now that's what the baby wants now.
You and this baby will kill me. No problem.
A few moments later.
Look at the water.
The baby doesn't want the water again. He wants to do Gary.
The baby don't want water.
Yeah, he wants to do Gary. It's not my fault. It's what the baby wants now.
No problem, make I go buy Gary.
Women.
A few moments later.
Mama, are you okay?
Yes, I'll be fast now.
Okay, look at the Gary.
Keep it here. The baby said you should bring big plates. He wants to eat big.
I should bring big plate.
Yes.
But you not finish this thing now.
I will finish it. What the baby wants now. You're stressing me now.
How will you and your baby finish this Gary?
Baby, go in now. That's what the baby
No
wants.
wahala. Mama, see the container here. Are you okay?
Yes, so I put the Gary. Bring water.
It's okay. Hope you and your baby will finish this Gary.
Bring water. 2 sachets. Pour it inside.
How many sachets?
2 sachets.
You and this your baby. Hope you're okay now.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
What is it again?
I don't know. The baby said he don't want it again. No.
Do you know how much you're selling Gary?
Then you buy another one now. The baby.
Now, okay, now what does the baby want?
Baby wants live snake.
Why does he like snake?
It's not your baby. That's what the baby wants now. Bring live snake, but I don't carry.
Okay, now the baby don't want the pure water. The baby don't want Gary.
Yes.
Now live snake.
Yes.
No problem. Let me look for a way and get it for you.
A few moments later.
Babe, look at the live snake.
Ah, Jesus, you want to kill me and the baby? What is the meaning of this now?
Are you not the one that requested for a live snake?
I don't want it again. Ah, please take this thing away. The baby now wants lion. Please go and get it for us. Go and get it for my baby. That's what my baby wants.
Okay, now the baby wants lion.
Yes. I don't want that one.
If you're in my position, what will you do?